What is luxury? What does it really mean to be luxurious? Is it just about the most expensive materials or living on the highest floors? No. True luxury is accessing something that feels unreachable for most. Wellness, serenity, and a deep, soul-soothing connection with nature. In the beating heart of the city, right by the calm waters, a masterpiece has risen, a space where architecture ends and life begins. Imagine waking up every day in a home that breathes for you, surrounded by over 1,500 trees and lush greenery. A sanctuary where hand-picked Italian marble meets the finest natural wood from Brazil. From dedicated wellness concierge services to having world-class chefs at your service. From advanced air and water purification systems to your private yoga studio and spa. Ewa is not just a building, it is a bespoke experience, designed for a completely different lifestyle. If you are ready to invest in the most valuable asset you own, your quality of life, get in touch with me. Ewa, where luxury finds a new meaning. This is not just a building, it is a bespoke experience, designed for those who seek to transcend the ordinary. It is a home that heals, a space that inspires, and a legacy that endures. If you are ready to invest in the most valuable asset you own, your quality of life, get in touch with me, where luxury finds a new meaning.